So this is showing the putting stringers on this job, and of course this is going to get cut off even with the other stair tread or stair stringer coming down, and this will end up a straight cut here and meeting up with this one here. But so what I did is I cut my tread cut, and don't just ignore these lines, these are not important. And I tacked it, it comes up to here, to the bottom, even though this is going to be all cut off. This will be open on this side, and here, be open here, open right here. But I want to show y'all how I do this. How you do the. So I got my T-bevel, and I set it for height of the from the landing up to the top. And what I do is I put my level on there, make sure it's level or plumb. Make sure my T-bevel is plumb, and I try to make the surface. This surface here is going to hit the T-bevel, so I mark my line. This is plumb. This will be my plumb cut here, and the angle, as you can see, the angle here is going to be a back cut, so it's going to come out here as well. So that'll be a back cut. So same thing here. Lay your T-bevel. This will be the plumb. This is actually plumb. So we'll have to adjust our T-bevel now, unfortunately. So I'll show you how to do that. Bring it down. This is called a T-bevel, or you can call it an angle finder. It's actually a T-bevel. It's called a T-bevel. So you want to level. You want to make sure that's plumb, which looks like that's close to right on. You have to bring it out just a hair. Yeah, turn this around. So that's almost level. Sorry for the saw. My buddy's running the saw. So it's got to be level or plumb. So that's supposed to be in plumb right there, maybe out just a hair. I'll do this again. Right there's plumb. So tighten up your T-bevel. See this here? So same thing here. You want to make sure the step, the riser is flat. Yeah, it's turned a little bit, so that's about right where the line's going to go. So you mark your line. This line represents the surface of this riser. So that's right where it's going to hit. And then the angle, of course your angle is going to go this way. It's a 45-degree angle. And you keep working your way up so once you're set, you got the plumb cut, or you got the plumb, got it plumb just work your way right up the stairway. So yeah, this stairway roughed in really bad. It's got bad, this surface right here is really bad. So this is going to be spaced out. And you can see how bad. Oh wait, I'm sorry, this thing moved. I guess I didn't tighten it up enough. But yeah, that's plumb right there. Let's tighten that down some more. There. So there's our level line. Take your level, the straight edge, so it's gonna end up like right there. So there's your riser cut or plumb cut. So that'll end up all the way down here. Also, I wanted to mention also is that you got to accommodate for drop. Steps are not straight, so actually it's going to be rised up a little bit. So we know that it's going to be tight down here. And what I do is I take my pencil and I'll put it sideways. Lay the pencil up so you accommodate for some rise. It's going to be up higher at the end. And same thing here. Lay that there. It's going to stick out a little bit there. So that's our line right there. Same thing here. That's going to be sticking out. These are cockeyed. Straight the line. Roughened steps are never straight. They're always screwed up. There's the top one right here. Lay that there. It's going to be, actually, this is the best one. It's going to end up like right there. And we're level plumb. Oh, thanks. It's turning. Yeah, it came out good. And then all these angles are going to be angled that way, angled that way. It's always good to mark your angles right where it's going to come out, and then that one's angled here, goes that way. It's a back cut, so that way.
That looks really, really nice.
Thank you.
And once it's stained, once you put the epoxy in there, it's stained.
Come down here. So this will come down here, here. So that's how you lay out stairways, stair stringers.